Hi everyone, in this video I will how to use the text editor within ClausePilot. Once you generated a new document, which we did in the previous video, we will arrive to the text editor view. Here on the right side you will see the embedded text editor, which works like Microsoft Word. It has all the functionalities like track changes, you can write in it, if you add in the changes, you can add all these things. For example, you can create new comment and add these things, and these will be tracked as once you download the document and export it from ClausePilot is going to include all the tracked changes and comments and everything. Right now what we see on the right side is an outline that the AI generated for us. And the next step would be to create the detailed document from this outline. If you take this tiny box here, the outline is going to be deleted and replaced by the exact detailed contract. If you leave it like this, then the outline stays here, and then the detailed contract will be added to the bottom of the text. I'm going to leave it like this for representation. And now you see that the AI sliced up my document into 15 parts, and now the first slice is going to be detailed out. This is going to be processed. So our idea here was that we are going to give you not a full document with, 40 pages of detailed legal text, but we give it to you in chunks, in smaller pieces, so that it's more digestible for you. While the AI is working on one slice of detailing out the document based on this outline that you created together earlier, you are going to be able to review the previous chunk that they created. Once the first one will be ready, it will be included here at the bottom. And then while you are looking at the first one, which is ready, the AI is going to be able to process the next one. So now I'm going to click continue for here. And then you will see that the definitions, interpretations, so this is the very first part of the document, you can see it's detailed out. You can see all the descriptions that were created for this loan agreement. Accept or reject, just like in Word. Accepted it right now, and now it's working on the second part of the document. And here we go, it's ready already. I see this is about the parties, their description, all the information, collective references, relationship, corporate standing, and so on. This is how it goes with the drafter. The other tab, the chat and edit tab. Here, this is how you can start new chats, and I would advise you to start new chats whenever you ask new questions with different context. For example, once you have a question about adjusting something about the lender's information, and then it has something else about, the jurisdiction, so make sure that you use different chats. This is where you can adjust all the project assumptions. So everything that we set up at the very beginning of creating this document. Here I can change it to Switzerland and save it, and this is how the AI will remember our project. If you would do something about this document, you can select it like this, and if you say inline edit, then I can say, for example, translate to French and submit. Then the AI is going to do a nice edit according to my prompt here. This is the selected text area where you can add things. I see. Voila, this is the French text that we created, and you see that the AI added it with track changes. What we wanted to make sure when designing the product of ClausePilot is that you, as a legal professional, have full power and control over what is happening within the product. So whatever changes are happening, we make sure that they are all tracked for you. Something that I also want to show you is the agentic mode here. Agentic mode is when, for example, there is some change that you would execute in the entire document here. For example, let's say there is not one lender, but 2 or 3, and you have to go ahead and adjust it in all the 50 pages of the document we have here. Then you can prompt the AI to do it, and it is going to do exactly what we did. It will read through the entire document and adjust whenever it is needed. I would urge you to try it, it's super cool.